Welcome friends! As you know, I enjoy Mexican food. Today, we are making delicious pan-fried tacos using our wonderful grill pan. For this recipe, you will need corn tortillas, ground beef, beef broth, taco seasoning, shredded lettuce, Mexican 4-cheese blend, red or green taco sauce. Begin by making the taco filling. In the medium pan over high heat, cook the ground beef. Be careful not to overcook the meat. When no pink meat remains, drain the ground beef. Now combine the taco seasoning and the beef broth. Stir into the cooked meat. Once the filling begins to boil, reduce to low heat. Simmer until it thickens. Your taco meat should look like this. Now prepare the corn tortillas. In a large pan over high heat, brush on some oil. Now that's a taco. Delicious. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.